without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you.
Hey my baby dolls, welcome back to another hair video. In today's video, I am showing you guys another beautiful unit by Arabella Hair. I'm showing you guys the unit right out of the packaging. I received their gold highlighted body wave 13 by 4 lace wig. And as you can see by the looks of it, the lace is already pre-plucked for me and pre-plucked into a middle part already. So I love that. The knots are not bleached, but you guys are going to see me make this look so super natural. And these are the highlights. The highlights are perfect in this wig, y'all. Like, oh my gosh, like it's not too much. You just get a little bit of color. And if you're not too big on color, or if you're scared of color, this is perfect for you. You get a band inside the wig, you get a lace in the back, and you get the adjustable straps. That is the construction of the unit. I am putting a little bit of makeup in my lace because of the knots being bleached, so I'm making it look natural as possible. That is the glue that I am using by Ebin Adhesive Glue. I get mine from my local beauty supply store, and I had already put a layer on, and I put another layer on, so basically I did 2 layers, and this is what it looks like after I cut the lace off. And here I'm just going in and installing. Now, I barely did any plucking like I was telling you guys. This is pre-plucked already for you. Y'all know I hate plucking, so I think that this was just a 10 out of 10 for me. The lace is really good quality. I didn't have to do too much as far as trying to melt the lace. It gives almost like an HD lace, so I love that about this unit. So you guys can pretty much watch me while I go throughout this whole installing process, which was easy for me. So yeah, y'all, look at the good how this lace looks. It looks very natural and realistic. I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to style the unit, but you guys can just watch while I finish installing and finish making this lace look as natural as possible. Like, look at that. It looks so freaking good. My lace was still gluing. My lace was still gluing. My glue was still drying. I'm sorry. And I decided to do a side part, a very deep side part with this unit. And I did have to pluck the parting just a little bit more, but hardly. I hardly didn't have to do it. As you guys can see, it looks really good as soon as I started to make my part. And of course, I use my hot comb just to press out the area and lay, everything down in its place.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna bump me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. Without you, and though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. I trusted you, I trusted you. So sad, what love will make you do.
So this hair is already a body wave texture, which was really good because I always tell you guys, when you get a body wave texture, your curls come out so much better and your curls stay longer. So I wanted some loose curls, which is exactly what I got. It is so pretty. The hair is so freaking soft, y'all. Like, I ran my hands through it all day, all night. No tangles. It didn't mat up on me. I'm still wearing the hair now. I've been wearing the hair for about 3 days straight, and it's still good. So my thoughts on it: 10 out of 10 as far as quality of the hair texture and the lace too as well. So I'll definitely recommend it. I definitely feel like the highlights are in the right areas of the wig. It's just perfectly colored for you. So let me know your thoughts on this wig, you guys. I love it. And comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. If you have any questions, let me know too as well. I love you, baby dolls, so very much, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.
All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get the strength to leave.